Okay, we're doing an unboxing of the JBL Live Flex 3. Really pumped up to be doing this. You can see there's the smart charging case at the front there, which we're going to go look at. And there's the open back design as well for these open back stick design for the earbuds. But this is quite common JBL packaging, and there's the smart case here. Can't wait to show you guys it. So let's pop it open and have a look. So it just popped out just then, just like that. So I'm going to put the other instructions just to the side while we have a look at it. There it is just there. Now it doesn't have any earbud tips as well because of the open back stick design. You can't actually put them in there. So there we are. There's the case just there. Now isn't that beautiful? If I turn it over, so it's USBC charging, which you can see there. Now 10 minutes of charge will give 4 hours of battery life, would you believe, which is quite incredible. And there are the earbuds there. As you can see there, they're just there. Now they're black. Isn't that a beautiful design? I haven't actually had a black pair of JBL earbuds before. I'm going to put the case down and just look at the earbuds for a second. So there you can, that's the open back stick design. You can see just there. Again, look at the quality. So there's the speakers that sit in the head. So they've got 12mm drivers in there. They've got 6 noise detecting mics as well in each earbud. So it means you can actually hear people when you're out and about. There they are there. Now you can also control the earbuds by pressing the controls each side. But look how beautiful they look. I mean, they really are stunning earbuds. I think they're brilliant. Anyway, let's go look at the case. So here's the piece de resistance, so to speak. Here's a smart charging case. Now you put each earbud in the case like this. As you can see, it's magnetic, so it holds them in place. And you get 40 hours of charge in the case and 10 hours in the earbuds, which I think is absolutely brilliant. Let's go look at the case in a bit more detail. So I'm going to turn it on now. So you can see it's just there. Now basically what you can do is by moving the case, you get the different features. So we swipe that way, you get screen brightness, which you can turn up, which I think we should do because we're doing a review of it. Go that way, you've got the, you can put a timer on, so the case switches off. You can put equalizers on. So equalizer gives you different equalizer settings. You've got your spatial sound, which we'll go into a bit later. You've got noise cancelling, which we'll go in as well. You've got the volume controls. You've got the play music, start music, English. Your flashlight, see, look how bright that is. You've got your Find My Buds and your message notifications when you switch it on. So I'm going to show you guys how that all works as we use it in voice aware. So these are all different functions you can control through your phone. So you could change the wallpaper, for example. You could put something that you want to put on your, if you want to go do something different, see, different colors on there. But it really is a nice bright screen. It's a lot clearer than JBL Tour Pro 2 one actually we did before. Let me turn the lights off now and show you how bright it actually is. See how bright that screen is? Doesn't it look nice? So you can see there's all the different functions you can use. So I'll connect to the phone shortly and show you guys exactly how it works. Now again, compared to the size of my hand, look at that. See? It's very, very small. So it's not very big at all. Let's turn it back on. So as you can see, it's small compared to my hand. There's my finger. Very light as well, so you can pop this into your bag, no issues at all. And going back to the instruction booklet as well, so put that there, bring this across. You've got just your standard stuff here. So you've got your USBC charger, your JBL guide, all in there. So yeah, great earbuds. I can't wait to test them out just now.